Hey guys, I'm going to explain my assignment 2 of the this assignment is about to read MX file and then convert it into PDF file. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have the Excel file which is stored inside your laptop. I download this test result I download this the file from the test result. It's about a competition held in Kuantan. Um, so this is the table that should be read and then printed into PDF file. Okay, you can find this data inside chessresult.com. Okay, the first thing you need to do to start is you need to have the you need to have the setter and getter of the code. So uh, we need to get the string each of the from each of these inside the table. So name, number, fed ID, FED, RTG, and club CD. So you need to put the string here and then put it here, and then you need to put the setter and getter in here. So the next thing you need to do is you need to you need to create a new class which is specifically to read the Excel data. So first thing you need to do is you need to put the array list. Okay, the main reason you need to put this is to put the the data inside the array list. Okay, so this is the so this the next thing you need to do is you need to find the source of the location of the source file. So in this case, the name of this file is just ranking. So this is the location of the file. Okay, and then so this is the format to convert the Excel. This is the Excel converter, which is it can read the Excel, so it relates with the workbook and sheet. Okay, so this is the first loop. The first loop is the function of this loop is to read the data here, because we need to read the data until the last end of the data. So it started with the row start with 0. This a is related is 0, so it started with 0, and then this is to read all the data inside here. But it's different when it comes to the read inside the table, because it has its own specific. The table makes it different. So the first thing you need to do is you need to put you need to read from 4 here until 150 here. Okay, so it's 155, sorry, 55. You need to put the data here, and then so this is the row that must be read from, and then this is the code. um, and then so this is the way to print the string when you, because this code represent each cell number of the code, so from number, name, until club city. Okay, and then you need to recall back the data that uh, that get from here, because this is string, so we need to recall it back. Okay, so this is the printf name, number, fit, RTG, and club. If you're wondering what this is the spacing uh, represent each of the string. Let's say if you just print it, if you don't put this, it will only display the number, and it will did not display all the file. Okay. So this is the red PDF. So this red PDF, we need to recollect back the red access method because it's related with here. Because the first thing we need to do is to read the Excel and then write into PDF form. Okay, so you need to recall back the method, and then we must put array list to store the data from what we call. Okay, so try, and then we need to put the document here, which is relate to the PDF file. We need to convert it into page A4 size. Okay, we can put whatever size we want, but in this case I use A4 sizes. And then pdf.getInstant document. This is to put where the PDF file from. So in this code I put it convert excel.pdf. You need to put the PDF format in the last. So this will be the name of my code. Okay, so whenever you okay okay so this is the table format, which is related with the white and space with the table spacing, and then column. Okay, so this is to write the PDF file, because since this uh table has different row, so in we need to put it in a row as well. Okay, so we're going to create a table, so you need to put add cell here. Okay, so this is the data that we get, and then after done with this, you need to run the file. Okay, so the data is successfully printed. Okay, so this is the way to read the data. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to find the convert file. Okay, so this is the file that has been converted into PDF file. Okay, so this is the function uh, of the table. So you need to put the size of the spacing before, and then so this is the table that's the the format of the table that should be put inside the PDF file. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.